In this lesson, we will discuss few more questions related to listing in braces. So question is, suppose if u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. Write the following sets by listing in braces. Suppose we have given the set in the form of set in builder notation. So question is, suppose x belongs to u such that x is divisible by 4. Suppose, right? And this is called the set builder notation. How we know that it is the set builder notation? Always you will see that x or whatever is belongs to any set such that this line represents such that, or while x is divisible by 4, we have to write down in the form of listing in braces. So only from this 1 to 20, we have to write down the integers which are divisible by 4, means completely divisible by 4, or you can say multiple of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. If we divide all these integers by 4, it is completely divisible by 4. 4 5 times 20, 4 4 times 16. So these are the multiple, and this is the listing in braces. These are called the braces, curly bracket or medium bracket. Suppose we have another question. Second is, I will write down here, suppose x membership or belongs to u, that whatever we are going to write, it should be from 1 to 20 such that x equal to 2n plus 1, right? And for some n belongs to n, it means we have to select some, not all. One by one, here we have to write down listing in braces, right? But here I will show you 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1. So one by one, we will put, first we will put 1, then we will put 2 instead of this n, then 3 and so on. But some, not all, right? Start from 1. So if n is equal to 1, 2, 1 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. If I will put 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5. If I will put 2 3 times 6, right, plus 1, which is equal to 7. Same thing for 4 plus 1, which is equal to 9, right, and so on. If I will put 9, right, so 9 2 times 18 plus 1, which is equal to 19. If I will put 10 plus 1, which is equal to 21. So 21 is not here. It means we have to stop at 9. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. It says for some n belongs to n, not all. So you have to decide up to what you have to finish. And it says whatever we are going to write here, it should belongs to u. And u is from 1 to 20. One by one you can try 2n plus 1, right? When we will reach at 9, 9 multiplied by 2, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. If I will put here 10, 11, 12, it is more than 20. So we cannot write down. So this is the listing in braces. Third, but keep in mind that u is equal to from 1 to 20. I will write down here. U is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 20. If we have x belongs to u and x is equal to n square. N square, right? So you have to make the square of first, which is equal to 1 square 1. Then instead of n, we will write down 2, which is equal to 4. Then we will make the square of 3. So see, it does not mean 3 2 times 6. It means 3 you have 2 times. Similarly, square of 4 does not mean 4 2 times 8. It means you have 4 2 times. Similarly, 5 you have 2 times. 5 square will be 25. Then 36. Then 49 and so on. So here we can write down listing in braces 1, 4, 9, 16, right, 25, 36, 49, 64. I can write down the remaining here, right? And then 9 time 81, 100, 11 time 12, right? 169 for 13. So just for up to 20 and last will be 400, right? Is square, n is square, and we have n 1 2 3 up to 20. One by one we will put the values, so you will get this set. This is the listing in braces. So still you have any question, please write down in comment section, and also subscribe to my channel Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.